The National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a tornado warning for central Madison County in western Tennessee until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:32 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm producing a tornado was located near Mercer, or 10 miles southwest of Jackson, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Jackson, Bemis, Denmark, Nearly, Westover, and East Union. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.